Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Shopify store's password. This password is needed if your store is password protected during development or a soft launch. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser and then in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and then click on Login. After you're logged in, go to your Shopify admin in the left sidebar and click on Online Store. From here, you'll see many options like themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Choose Preferences and click on it. Once in Preferences, scroll down to the section titled Password Protection. This section right here. Here you'll see if your store is password protected. The password you set will be visible in this section right here. If you want to change it, you can add a new one. I'll do this one for you. You can enable to restrict access to visitors with password by picking a plan and paying for it. You can also add a message to your visitors, which will appear along the password demand. Click wherever, whatever, you can add whatever you want. For example, I'm just gonna add a message to the visitor, or things for visitor. Just like that, you can enable captcha on contacts and comment forms. After you finish, you should save the modification. That's it. You've successfully checked and changed your Shopify store password. This keeps your store private and safe, ready to launch. If you like this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.